Hi, I'm John Alexis, the owner of Malibu Poke. Hawaiian poke is raw fish that's tossed in sauce, served with fresh vegetables, and usually served on top of something like rice. We chose Malibu as the name of our brand because we thought Malibu itself so exemplified our brand. So our guests can come in here, it doesn't matter what they're wearing, and they can come in and get fine dining quality, fine dining ingredients in a high volume casual setting. When we decided that we wanted to implement self-serve kiosks into our model, NEXTEP came across our radar very quickly. We are so confident that this is the technology that all restaurants are going to be based on. We have guests that love it. When guests enter Malibu Poke, our beautiful menu boards are the first guest experience. The guest orders on the kiosk. We love the ability that they can easily modify removing items, adding items.
It was just really user-friendly, like everything there is just exactly what you see on the menu. Super cool.
My favorite part was probably the pictures because you can actually see what you're getting.
Once the guest has finished their order, they have the opportunity to see if they want to remember it for future use. They can smile at the camera, enter their phone number or their credit card, and in one click of a button, reorder their favorite bowl. The facial recognition become incredibly popular. The new iPhone having similar technology really helped introduce it. It has changed our model. What we've tried to do with this is have the kiosk answer 90% of the questions that you get asked. So since we've opened, we've shaved over 30 seconds off of order time. We've watched order time go down, comps or refunds go down. Every metric that we measure is tracking with improvements in the system. I've never seen a guest ever have any feeling, positive or negative, about how they order their food. And watching them in a minute and 20 seconds turn around from being intimidated or threatened to it being their favorite part, our self-serve kiosks have become a brand differentiator in a crowded field. It's helped define who we are and how serious we are about creating an excellent guest experience. Malibu Poke is a fast-growing business, and we are really excited to continue to bring fine dining quality to a high-volume poke setting. And the sky's the limit.